How to fix iPhone Security Lockout or iPhone Unavailable. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Force restart your device first. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the side button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If force start does not fix your iPhone, launch the Settings application. In Settings, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You will see the option for Erase all content and settings and then on Continue. Make sure to back up your device before erasing all contents. In General again, tap on Software Update and make sure you were updated to the latest version of iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.